As we have been expressing since the beginning, we want sustainability to be at the core of this innovation toolkit. There is no business without purpose. You must reflect what yours is. The following step includes a reflection about the sustainability of your solution and the business around it. For it, we will use the Sustainability Design Template. This step comprises several elements, including the assessment of the development goals, the main purpose regarding sustainability, a stakeholder map indicating the key, relevant, and secondary stakeholders according to their degree of involvement with the project solution from highest to lowest, an evaluation of environmental, social, and economic externalities. Make sure to evaluate the positives and negatives in those dimensions, and finally, a list of actions to take in the sustainability arena. Let's illustrate our choices in these templates concerning the StartUB Innovation Toolkit. There are three main UN Sustainable Development Goals that the Innovation Toolkit is committed to: quality education, gender equality, and economic growth. We envision supporting all kinds of entrepreneurs across disciplines, providing a rigorous and comprehensive toolkit to further their innovation and entrepreneurial aspirations. We believe in the potential of economic growth arising from the creation of new businesses and products for the market. From these objectives derives our purpose to develop inclusive tools, empower entrepreneurship across genders, and build an entrepreneurial community around the University of Barcelona. In this context, some of the key stakeholders that surround the toolkit include the UB management and different faculties, professors, entrepreneurs, and students. Additionally, some relevant agents include private companies, research centers, and accelerators and incubators, amongst others. Finally, at a secondary level, we encounter the public sector, the media, and other academic institutions, to name a few. Some of our main externalities at a social, economic, and environmental level include the development of a digital platform and potential use of sustainable materials for the toolkit as a form of reducing the environmental impact for the physical version. Also, from a social perspective, despite lacking brand awareness at early stages, we can capitalize on the University of Barcelona brand and generate an impact across disciplines beyond business-related studies. From the economic point of view, the main challenge will be related with the cost of developing and maintaining the toolkit, although there is potential for the resource to be self-sufficient in the near future. All of these aspects force us to consider a series of actions in the near future, such as exploring potential materials and designs for the physical toolkit, start diffusion early to generate expectation around the toolkit, and make sure to initiate internal training of the toolkit across different faculties as soon as possible. This is the natural evolution of your journey. To implement this step, consider everything that you have defined in the previous phases to assess the sustainability of your project or business and to define potential actions to improve it. Let's continue with the last steps of your innovation journey.